valid registration, valid insurance card.
Hi, I'm Karen Turner. Hi, I'm a resident. There you go.
It's fine. I don't need that.
Okay, fine. I'm Karen.
You're just here as the ride, right?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm here as a concerned citizen and friend of the mayor, and been in Tenafly for 20 years. I take full responsibility for them. And what is the reason they were pulled over?
The driver has all the information. He'll tell you.
No. I need to know.
No, you don't need to know.
Okay.
We're not involved here. You're picking them up?
No, I'm involved. Trust me.
Well, I'm going to tell you. He's the driver of the automobile. He's over 18. That's all you need to know.
Okay, you can...
We don't need to see credentials.
Okay. You need a... If you can give me a little bit of space here.
Are you a commissioner?
I am a commissioner. One of the commissioners, and I'm heading up...
Do you have an ID with that?
That is my ID, and that is my business card. I am the commissioner of the Port Authority, and I'm heading up over 4,000 police officers. Okay? So, if there's a problem, I think I have...
There's no problem.
Well, I think there's a problem.
It's an unregistered vehicle.
Okay, let's hear... Why were they pulled over, first of all?
Miss.
Now, don't call me Miss. I'm Commissioner. Thank you.
Commissioner?
Yes.
All due
Why
respect.
were they pulled over?
All due respect.
Yep. Why
The driver with them.
No. I need
Yes,
to know.
ma'am. The car's getting towed out.
Why is the car getting towed?
Go ask him.
No, I'm asking. You're the person
Go ask
who's
him.
ordered it, and trust me.
Miss, this does not involve 1%.
Yeah, it does. It does, because I'm picking them up, and I'm
1%.
offering to take responsibility for them, and you can't even tell me the charges. I'm also an attorney. So I think if you can't tell me, what is the problem?
That's fine.
Why is it such a difficulty to say why they're being pulled over and why the car's being towed?
Because everything has already been explained.
I know, but I know.
Why do you need to know?
Because this is impacting me, because
Why?
I got 4 people who are coming back to my house, including people who live in New Haven attending Yale Graduate School, a PhD student, and I don't know why it's so difficult to say what the problem is. This is impacting me. On Easter Sunday, I got to take 4 people
I'll be honest,
back to New Haven.
I'll be honest with you, frank with you.
Yeah, I want to know what the problem is.
It's more of the way you just approached me and your demeanor.
You know what? Okay.
I'm being honest with you.
I want to know why.
I just don't appreciate your demeanor.
I don't
You're being very demanding with me.
No, I'm asking you a question which is not being answered.
But it doesn't need to be answered. It's irrelevant.
Okay. You know what?
If you'd like to read my report, you can come down to the police department records on Monday. You can get a copy of it.
And you can't.
I am there is no. You have no right to know what's going on.
No, I do.
Explain to me why.
Because these are 4 people that I have
You're
to take
just a concerned
responsibility.
Why do you have to take responsibility? They're all adults.
That's my daughter.
And she's a
these
backseat
are her
passenger.
friends.
She's a backseat passenger.
And there's a problem with you describing it because you don't feel confident. Why these people are being pulled over?
Your daughter has not been summoned. She was not the driver. This is not her vehicle. It's not your vehicle.
I'm
How
sorry,
are you involved?
but this is not going to be... If you have a problem explaining what the problem is and why their car is being confiscated, then we have a problem. And trust me, I will be in with the commissioner of police of Tenafly.
Take a step back. Take a step back
If you can't even describe what the problem is...
Take a step back from me. I can't move back any farther. I keep moving back farther, and you keep moving closer to me.
Because you can't even put a sentence together on what the problem is.
Because I'm not, because of your demeanor.
No, I came in very nicely.
I'm under no legal obligation to tell you.
And I'm under no legal obligation to tell you what I will be doing. But I will.
You can do whatever you would like to do.
She's been
This is a lawful motor vehicle stop. You are here to pick them up.
Okay.
It's going to be a report.
Yep.
The driver has been advised of everything that's going on.
Okay. I was there for your graduation when you guys came in the town, and it wasn't that long ago.
What graduation? What are you talking about? What graduation?
Thank
when
you very much,
town?
Saditsky and Catherine. Thank you for your information and help. You know what? I hope you have a really nice holiday weekend, too, because you just ruined it for a lot of people. Without even the decency.
No, I didn't ruin anything.
Yeah,
I was doing my job.
Yeah, you did.
I would just hope you, being a commissioner, that you would understand the job police officers have to do. But
there is no explanation. How can I understand?
You didn't even ask him.
Decency.
You didn't even ask him.
I'm asking you because you're the one that's making the report. I'm going to the source.
I don't appreciate the way you approached me, the way you demanded your position in another agency.
I'm asking
whatever it may be. I mean, you have a business card with credentials. I don't know you. I just met you a minute ago. You have no official identification.
You know Louis, what's his name? Schmarodowski?
What does that have to do with anything?
Well, I'm just telling you who I am. I've been in the town for 20 years, and as a courtesy, I would like to understand the rationale for their being pulled over and their car confiscated. This is a courtesy. I don't know why it's so difficult.
I believe you should ask your daughter and the driver of the motor vehicle.
My daughter is a backseat passenger, as you said. You're making the accusation. I would like to know...
What accusation?
The accusation of I don't know what. You haven't told me. You're telling me to go Monday and read the report.
No,
when these kids... It's not them. I'm going to ask the driver what you are accusing them of wrongdoing. I'm asking you because you're the source of the accusation. They are not the source, you're the source. So I'm trying to go to the source. If you want me to go to their side of the story, I will. But I will do that.
I think that's the best thing at this point.
You know what? I'm very disappointed in the way the two of you are acting. You cannot even tell me, a mother living in Tenafly for 20 years with 2 kids who went through the school system, what the problem is. And that's shocking. It's shocking that you can't even give me a sense.
I think we should conclude this.
I will.
Just for safety reasons, this is a high-speed road. I think we should all get off of the road. It's a little bit dangerous for us being out here as long as we were anyway.
Thank you for your concern with my safety.
Okay.
I don't need it. You can't put a sentence together? Sorry.
Okay.
That's pathetic. Okay. And you are a disappointment. And you are just following him. So you are also a disappointment. Okay. You can't put together a sentence of what the problem is.
Are you finished, ma'am?
I'm shocked and very disappointed. Thank you for your help.
You may take them now.
You may not tell me when to take my child. You may shut the up and not tell me when I may take my kids and her friends who are PhD students from MIT and Yale. Okay. You may tell me nothing because you told me nothing. Shame on both of you. Okay. I will be talking to the chief of police.
Please.
And I will be speaking to the mayor.
Badge number 540.
I got your name. I got your name.
Just to make sure there's no discrepancy.
There's no discrepancy.
Matt is the first name.
No worry.
As long as you got all the information right.
I got all your information, sweetheart. You can't put a sentence together. That's shame why you're being pulled over. Tomorrow, what company are you?
Find out the what? The location of the event. No, it's at the police department. Okay. Police headquarters. You could say this.
Shame on you.
Karen resigned from the Port Authority of New York and New Jersey on April 20th, 2018. The State Ethics Commission did an investigation and fined her $1,500.